We'll guide you through how to download a TikTok video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and so for whatever reason you want to go and download a TikTok video, we're going to guide you through this step by step. This is really convenient to do, as perhaps you want to go and share it and have it in your gallery and camera roll. So to get started, come onto TikTok, and you can go and do this whether it's your own video or somebody else's, and whether it's an iPhone or an Android as well. So what you can do for your own video, come to the bottom right and come onto your profile, and you can go and find the one you want to do it with. Alternatively, if it's somebody else's, we need to go and find it. So come to the home page in the bottom left. You can then go to the top right and you can press on search and go to the account, or you can just go and scroll through this page here, the view page, and go and find it. So there are different ways. When you found it, if it's your own video, you need to go and press the three dots in the bottom right to open the send to menu. If it's somebody else's, you press the share button. So it's a slight different, but it will go and take you to the same send to menu. Now what you need to do at the bottom here is go and scroll along this bottom carousel and go and find the download button. And then what you can do is go and tap on it. Now it's going to go and download. Just consider if it's somebody else's, what you're using it for, as of course you'll need permission for commercial use, etc. And in general, that won't be allowed. So go and wait, you'll see the progress. When it's finished, it will go and pop up share to, and it will say downloaded. I'll open up my photos and there it is. Leave a like if you found this useful.